The next award is the Most Innovative CIO of the Year Manufacturing. And the award goes to Mr. Rajesh Panchal. Let's give a huge round of applause and welcome Mr. Rajesh Panchal on receiving the Best CIO of the Year Manufacturing from Inox Air Products. A huge congratulations to Rajesh Panchal at Inox Air Products for his trailblazing work leading to the Most Innovative CIO of the Year Manufacturing win.
First thing, I had not nominated because I had applied for the company. So thanks the team for appreciating it, and also to my team, this is dedicated to you. It's all your hard work for which I am getting this award. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate your honesty, sir. Thank you.